On the edge of a flat prairie, a chase team tracks a looming supercell as gauges flicker and suspense hums. They read Doppler shifts, forecast models, and live feeds, turning chaotic gusts into a plan that feels like science in motion. When hail stings the windshield, a chaser recalls field notes on stratification, and the storm becomes a brutal classroom. Thunder shakes the rig as bolts illuminate the rotating updraft, and the crew discusses safety margins with calm precision. By nightfall, they archive raw data and grateful breath, knowing tomorrow's chase will test both courage and forecast accuracy.